have 4-week-old babies from, look at you, Bannon and Bubbles. Beautiful. Yes, you are. They're both boys and they're both short coats. And you, he's like a creamish color, this one. Tan, cream, I'm not quite sure what you call it. I always get confused about these colors. Golden. And you are a fawn with tan markings. That's what you are. And you are puppy number 2 on my website. And you are puppy number 9, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna go ahead and put you guys on the scale. See what's going on. We're gonna go with you first. Hey, sweetheart. Okay. 17.7 at 4 weeks is right in between there, so 5.25. And now it's your turn, little one. You are about the same, 17.6. So we don't need to even look at the chart. They are both about the same. And Daddy's really tiny, and so is Mommy actually, but that's the way it goes sometimes. They're gonna be a little bit bigger. At least Mommy didn't need a C-section. That makes me very happy. I'm gonna stand up. You can see the size of the piece of paper over there compared to them. Are you exploring? Huh? They're cute little things. They're not having fun in the puppy shed yet, but they will soon. You say bye to everybody? Like, oh, maybe I want to play. Maybe I.